anyway. Oh, Channel 2. SVR for Channel 2. SVR from Channel 2. Oh, God!
Thunderstorm warning for south-central Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, west central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Slippery Rock, 47 miles southwest of Grove City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include Homagro, Endora, Shannon Northview, Slippery Rock, Sikora, East Brady, Plain Grove Township, East Butler, Worthington, Bruin, West Hills, West Liberty, Harrisburg,
Doubleheader.
Carn City,
Doubleheader. Here we go.
West Sunbury, Hooker, Marine State Park, Cooper's Lake Campground, and Rose Point Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 101 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer.
Oh, man.
Weather Radio WWG56
It's not a doubleheader.
Weather Service forecast.